Hello, how are you? I am good. How are you? I am fine. Can I ask you something? Yes, of course. Tell me about your family. Sure, I have a small family. Who is in your family? There are four members. Who are they? My father, my mother, my sister, and me. What does your father do? He is a teacher. And your mother? She is a housewife. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one sister. What does your sister do? She is a student. Do you live together? Yes, we live together. Do you love your family? Yes, I love my family very much. What do you like to do with your family? We like to watch TV and talk together. Do you eat meals together? Yes, we eat dinner together every day. Who is closest to you in your family? I am closest to my mother. Why? Because she understands me. Do you help your family? Yes, I help with small work at home. That's nice. Thank you. Now let me tell you about my family. Yes, please. I have a big family. Really? Who are in your family? My parents, my brother, and my grandparents. That's great. My father is a doctor. And your mother? She is a teacher. What about your brother? He's younger than me. Do you fight with him? Sometimes, but we also play together. That sounds fun. Yes, I enjoy time with my family. Family is very important. It was nice talking to you. Sam here. Have a good day. You too. Bye. Bye.